Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take a middle part in hair. First, make sure your hair is clean and completely free of tangles, which will make the parting process much easier. You will need a fine-tooth comb, a couple of hair clips, and possibly a hand mirror to check the back. If your hair is particularly dry, a light mist of water can help it cooperate during styling. To begin, position your fine-tooth comb directly in the center of your forehead, right at your hairline. Carefully draw a straight line with the comb, moving it directly backwards towards the crown of your head. Take your time to ensure this line is perfectly straight and centered, using your nose as a guide. This initial precise line is crucial for a symmetrical look. Once your part is established, gently separate the hair on either side, allowing it to fall naturally. You might use clips to temporarily hold each section away from the part, especially if you are styling or drying your hair. Take a moment to check your part from all angles in a mirror, making any small adjustments for perfect symmetry. Smooth down any tiny flyaways near the part for a polished finish. To ensure your middle part stays put all day, consider applying just a tiny amount of light hold hairspray or a non-greasy styling cream. Gently smooth it along the part line. Try to avoid excessively touching your hair, as this can disrupt the part and create frizz. A quick check in a mirror throughout the day can help you maintain that crisp, clean middle part with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.